Let me ask you something. Would you choose to hold on to hope, even if it's not entirely real? Or to face a hard truth, even if it breaks your heart? It's a tough choice, right? Don't worry if you're unsure how to answer. This isn't a trick question, and there is no simple answer out there. You won't find it in a book, not on Google, not even from an AI. What we're diving into here is something deeply human, how we deal with pain, uncertainty, and change. It's not about hope or despair, but there is another layer. Do we face reality or turn away from it? Do we accept the truth or pretend it's not there? This episode of Delicate Collisions is about finding the space in between, the crossroads where optimism meets despair and denial meets acceptance, because that's where real insight lives. Let's start with a common idea. Optimism is good, despair is bad. But that's not quite how it works. Optimism can give us energy, creativity, and hope. But if it's disconnected from reality, it can just lead to false promises and letdowns. Despair, on the other hand, feels heavy, like a dead end. But sometimes hitting bottom strips away the lies we've been telling ourselves. It can be the start of something real, something honest. Think of it like this. Optimism says things can get better. Despair says this is broken. And sometimes we need both truths to move forward. Now let's talk about how we deal with truth. Denial can actually protect us, at least at first. It's that voice that says, this isn't happening. Sometimes we need that pause just to get through the day. But if we stay there too long, we get stuck. We avoid the work of healing or changing. Acceptance means facing what's real, even if it hurts. It's not the same as giving up. In fact, it's often the first step to real growth. There's a balance here. Too much denial and nothing changes. Too much blind acceptance and we stop fighting for the better. Here's where it gets interesting. What happens when we mix these emotions? Some people live in what we might call blind idealism. They only see the good and block out the rest. Others fall into numb survival. They've given up on meaning. They're just going through the motions. But there's also resilient hope, people who see the problems but believe we can overcome them. And there's tragic clarity, those who accept the pain and stay present with it, not to fix it, but to witness it, to honor the truth. The difference between these states often comes down to one thing: truth. Blind idealism and numb survival both avoid it, one with dreams, the other with despair. Resilient hope and tragic clarity walk toward it, one to change it, the other to face it. So what is truth? Is it that the earth is flat? That 2 + 2 = 5? That all people are created equal? Truth can feel slippery, but courage doesn't come from always having the right answer. It comes from being willing to ask the hard questions and sit with what they bring.
فکر نکن. نمیخواد فکر کنی. 2 با 2 5 میشه.
So I'll ask you again, is it better to face reality with a comforting lie or surrender to pain in the name of truth? Maybe the answer isn't one or the other. Maybe it's in the space between, where we stand, face the dark, and choose to build the light. Please like and subscribe. If you would like to support the channel, buy us a cup of coffee. See the link below in the description. And as always, thank you for watching.